Hi friends, it's me Andrea again. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper airplane. Let's get started. What I like to do first is I like to fold my piece of paper in half like this. And then we take the paper and we fold down the corners. Parents, you might want to do this part for your preschooler. Folding can be a bit tricky. Look like this. And we're going to take these flaps and fold them in. Like this. To make a shape that looks like this. Now we're going to take this and we're going to fold it in half. Look like that. And we're going to take this flap, bend it outwards, fold it outwards, like so. So it should start to look like this. Then flip it over and do the other side. Now we have an airplane. What you can do now is you can get a few pieces of tape and tape them right here on the top. I like to put one on the front. And another piece here on the back, so that when we're flying them, the airplane doesn't open up and fall apart. If you don't have tape, you can also use staples and staple along the edges here. Next, what we can do is we can get some markers. Choose a favorite color. And we can write our names on our own, or we can ask someone for help. We can also decorate our airplanes, color them, make them all colorful. And what I like to do is you can set up either hula hoops or some sort of object around the yard or inside your house, whatever space you have, and set up little targets to fly your airplane through. Practice some hand-eye coordination. I made these really simple targets out of construction paper. I recommend using cardboard. I didn't have any, but it would be more durable to practice flying your airplanes through. Here's another one. But again, hula hoops will work. Other round or not round objects that you can fly your airplane through. Alrighty friends, thank you for watching. I hope you have lots of fun making your airplanes. Bye!